Hey guys, it's Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2018 Pete 389 factory built glider kit, 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, APU, around 900,000 total miles on it. Gotten it hot. I'm gonna do a full walk around, show you blow by underneath the hood, finish up on the inside with oil pressure and the interior. Let's go ahead and get started. Southern truck, there's no rust, body's in great shape, tanks, steps. Only blemishes I really see, got a little bit right there on the H exhaust on each side. For 900,000 miles, pretty sweet. No dings in the back of the cab. Air slide fifth wheel, air ride suspension, all aluminum wheels. We just got this one in. The only paint blemishes, another spot on the exhaust there. Right here on this front fender, started peeling, which we can have painted. Not a big deal, but just showing you the way that it came in. Interior is extremely clean. Platinum interior. No warnings on the dash. Good low side oil pressure. Smooth through the RPMs. And oil pressure jumps up there exactly like it's supposed to. This has had a new cluster. That's that 129 is not right. It's right at 900. Extremely clean truck for the year and for the miles, specifically factory built glider kit. If you need one like this, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.